welcome back to my YouTube channel Yusuf Ghazwan, and today I'm going to make a video about unboxing. Well, today I have a fidget spinner unboxing. This is my normal fidget spinner. Normal fidget spinner that spins. See? Let's put this away now. Now we have a new fidget spinner. And it's from Souq.com Marketplace. So, this is from Souq.com. And today I'm gonna unbox it. I bought online a fidget spinner. So, how can I unbox it? How can I open it? I'll try with my magic scissors. Will it work in my magic? Yeah. I opened Souq.com. I opened it. A little here. See? And now I'm gonna rip it open. Now, what do we have here? Ooh la la. Here, we have my sister's fidget spinner. Only two. See? Pink color. Only two. And this. Not right. This is not cool. This is much cooler. Well, this is for my sister. What about mine? This is it. This is my fidget spinner. It has also three, but it's different. Unboxing. I opened it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Here it is. So nice. What the hell? So freaking nice. So amazing. When you spin it, it's so amazing and relaxing. Try to do something. Oh! Well, it was in my hand here. Oh, I made a trick. Here it is, my magic fidget spinner. If you're one of my friends and you're watching this video today, I'm gonna get this fidget spinner to school tomorrow or after tomorrow. Whoa! See, it was right here. I'll spin it. It was right here. Whoa! It's like a bomb. Okay. Don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe. And turn on the notification. #notification squad. And don't forget to share all of my videos. And last but not least, like this video and most of my videos. So, goodbye and see you on